everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Lan Wenwen, a professional Chinese teacher. So today our course is about airport. We're going to learn new characters and words related to it, and it will be very useful for you if you're going to travel in China, if you're living in China, and let's start our course today. So first of all, let's look at these two new characters we have to learn, which means airport, 机场, 机场, 机 flat tone, 场 third tone, 机场, 机场. And then we have ticket counter, 售票柜台. 售 means sale, 票 means ticket, and 柜台 which means counter. 售票柜台, 售票柜 first tone, 台 second tone. 售票柜台, 售票柜台. Check-in counter, 办票柜台. 办票 both fourth tone, 办票, 办票. 办 means manage, 票 again which means ticket, 柜台 counter, 柜台, 办票柜台, read after me, 办票柜台. And then we have custom declaration form, 海关申报表, 海关申报表. 海 third tone, 关 flat tone, 申 flat tone, 报 fourth tone, 表 third tone. 海关申报表. And then boarding pass, 登机牌, 登机牌. 登机 which means boarding, 登 flat tone, 机 flat tone, 登机牌, 登机牌, 登机牌. Then luggage cart, 行李车, 行李, 行李 which means luggage, 行 second tone, 李 third tone, 车 flat tone, 行李车, 行李车. You can use 车 to describe cart, bicycle or car. 行李车. And then luggage carousel, and luggage carousel, 转台, 转台, 转台. 转 which means turn around, and 台 which means platform. 转台. Then carry on baggage, 随身行李. 随身行李. We have learned luggage and baggage, which means 行李. 随身, 随 means belong or be with, and 身 means body, so be with your body, it always be with you is carry on, and baggage 行李, 随身行李. 随 second tone, 身 flat tone, 行 second tone, 李 third tone. Read after me. 随身行李. And then passenger, 旅客, 旅客, 旅 third tone, 旅 read after me. 旅客 fourth tone, 客, 旅客. And then waiting lounge, 候机大厅. 候 fourth tone, which means wait, 机 flat tone, which means plane, 大 which means big, 厅 means lounge or hall. 候机大厅, 候机大厅. Flight information board, 航班信息屏, 航班显示屏, 航班显示屏. 航班 which means flight, 航 second tone, 班 flat tone, 航班显示 which means show, 平 board. So this board is showing you the flight information. 航班显示屏航班显示屏 Then we have terminal 航站楼航站楼 Read after me 航 second tone 航站 first tone 站楼 second tone 航站楼 And then custom 海关海关海关 Read after me 海关 Going through the custom 过海关 First tone 过海关 Pass the custom And then security check 安全检查 We have learned 安全 before, which means security 安 flat tone 全 second tone 安全检查 which means check 检查检 and 查 both have a meaning of check 检查 Read after me 安全检查 Sometimes you can omit the 全 and 查 to say 安检安检安检 both okay 安全检查 And then metal detector 金属探测器金属 which means metal 探测器 dictator 金属探测器金 flat tone 属 third tone 探测器 all first tone 金属探测器 And then we have currency exchange counter 外币兑换处 Y which means outside or Y which have a meaning of outside and B which means currency. So the currency that is outside your country is so here YB which means currency that is not belong to your country and 兑换 means exchange. Counter we have learned which means and 处 which means place and counter. 外币兑换处外币 foreign currency 兑换 exchange 处 place counter 外币兑换处 Wow, all first tone 外币兑换处 This is a very good practice for training your first tone. And then duty-free shop 免税店免 third tone 税 fourth tone 商店 And then duty-free shop tax-free shop 免税商店免 means omit 税 tax 商店 which means shop we have learned before 免税商店免税商店 And then taxi stand 出租车站出租车站出租车站 Read after me 出租车站 And then airport shuttle 机场巴士机场巴士机场 airport 巴士 bus 机场巴士 So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new vocabulary. So this is a course today. We have learned a lot of new course and new So this is our course today. We have learned a lot of new characters and new expressions today. Hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework today. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoy watching this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bear icon so that you can get notification for the next video we post. And if you have any suggestion of our course, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.